Hello dear students, today's topic is acid rain. When fossil fuels are burned, gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide are released. When fossil fuels means when the emission coming out from the factories and industries releases sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, then these gases get mixed with the rainwater forming acid rain. These gases when dissolved in water they form the acids like sulfuric acid and nitric acid. So when this rain falls on the ground it is said to be the acid rain. There are various harmful effects of acid rain like it can cause harms to soil, it can increase its acidity, it also cause the harm to aquatic animal. Many aquatic animals die due to acid rain. It also cause various diseases like respiratory diseases, asthma, bronchitis in human beings, and it also severely affect the animals. Many monuments also get damaged due to acid rain. For example, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is made up of marble which has been damaged due to acid rain only. Another topic is greenhouse effect. Carbon dioxide keeps the earth warm, much like glass, which keeps the greenhouse warm. We can say the greenhouse effect is a natural process that warms the earth's surface. When the sun's energy reaches the earth's atmosphere, some of it is reflected back to space and the rest is absorbed and re-irradiated by the greenhouse gases. And what are the greenhouse gases? Methane, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide and chlorofluorocarbons compounds. These are the mainly greenhouse gases which are responsible for greenhouse effect. Effects of increase in carbon dioxide. What happens when the carbon dioxide level increases in the atmosphere? Intensifies greenhouse effect. It induce or we can say it intensifies the greenhouse effect, leads to global warming. Global warming, what it is the gradual increase in the overall temperature of earth atmosphere due to the greenhouse effect. This effect is caused by increased level of carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon and other gases in the air and many human activities also. This global warming may lead to melting of polar caps, submerging number of coastal cities. Melting of polar caps means the glaciers of ice, or we can say the rocks of ice which are situated or located in the poles of our earth. What will happen due to increased temperature? This will get melted, due to which the level of the sea will rise and the coastal areas, or we can say coastal cities, will get submerged. Here is a very meaningful line. Changes in environment affect us and our activities change the environment around us. See, if we do anything, our activity adversely affect the environment. So back to us, environment also affects our livelihood. And indirectly or directly, human beings are the reason for causing these disasters, or we can say causing global warming, ozone depletion, greenhouse effects. So human activities cause a drastic change in the environment.